Glad to be here with المسعود in أديبك 2024, showing our capacity to supply top-notch oil field servicing equipment to our domestic and regional customer. This year is extra special for us because we managed to package all of our offshore equipment into DNV 2.71 and 2.73 certified structure, which add another layer to our quality and safety equipment. I just want to add one more thing, that even though we are involved in the exploration of the fuel, المسعود has a great commitment towards sustainability. In our manufacturing facility, we continuously take small steps that adds up to improve our production processes. All of these small steps sums up to create a big impact on sustainability, ensuring a greener future for our grandchildren. Come and visit us in hall number 3 to know more about our full product and service line.